Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. As you guys are tuning in, hit that thumbs up and let's jump right into it. So, flat day today, guys. Flat day. We are green, $11 gross, and I think red net something, red a little bit, couple of cents. So, flat day, not much really going on today besides MF, which did give opportunities, but very difficult to capitalize on this stock here today, man. We started off at about a $480 loss. In fact, I'll show you guys this loss here today. So we're going to look at some early archive here into this recap. Ah, jeez. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, there we go. So this thing ended up ripping up into a halt. I had it off screen, so I did miss the very beginning. And sometimes this is a part of, trading, opportunity cost. I decided, you know what, I wanted to watch YELL, AHI, and the other stock that I just had on. And so I took this one off screen despite it being my main stock. So I missed the entire red to green, the 1 minute candle to make the new high over 35, 36 area. Sometimes that's the difference, man. If I'm in 36, good size, it's up at 40, 50, trying to get halted. Maybe I would have already been very green right here, and at least it's better to give back profits than to go red, right? At least if I'm up 6, 700 and I gave back 450, hey, at least I'm still green 200, right? So it resumes, it pushes higher, and then it starts to pull back. We saw 51 and 54 on the bids, and then 51 again. So right here, I'm like, okay, I'm going to punch it, but I'm too aggressive and I'm too early. There's way too much selling. I mean, just look at all this red hitting the tape. So once I see that, I'm going to say, okay, we're not holding. I'm going to try and sell for 49, but I'm a little slow to hit the sell button. In the moment, I thought I did, but I'm a little slow. My sell comes, but in a normal circumstance, if there are a lot of bids and buyers between 38 and 49, maybe I'm selling this trade for a loss at, let's say, 47, 46, but this thing just collapsed and boom, I'm coming out. There are buyers here, luckily, into this halt down. Let's look at how the sellers came in. So look at this, right? A wall of sellers coming in and they're getting bought up, right? Sellers getting bought up, and then again, it looks like it's about to be a false halt, but then even more people start to sell, putting out orders there, and that's gonna get locked in. Let me fix the camera, by the way. That line, there we go, that line up top should not be showing. Okay, better. So that was the loss. The entirety of the day was spent trying to recoup, trying to, gain any sort of, let's say capture any sort of good price action. But this move here was so disappointing. We did capture a beautiful trade down here off the lows. We had a low of 28. When it came back down this time to 32, I took the long over here. And I did sell early though. I sold around 41. So just about 10 cents of gain. Then this thing pulled away. Got halted at 162, right below the pre-market high. And right here, I'm like, yes, here we go. It's go time. Short sellers are going to have to cover. But even then, I still don't like buying into a halt. And this is a good example. This looked pretty good right here. Resumed a little higher and flushed down all the way to 21 from high 57. So I'm not, interested into buying into the halt. In this case, it would have worked, but again, not my style. So it opens up. It's showing a bit of a wick here, but it just went straight up. This thing went straight up, man. And then again right here, and then, opened up sideways and then had a hard time, but just instant move higher. I mean, let's look at it on level 2, right? Instant move higher, instant move. So, here we go. It's about to happen. I mean, it just does not. Here we go. So it does not give a chance. So at 62, watch this. Resumes. 75, and then instantly at 90. Instantly at 90. I mean, if I don't know, like for me, I had to been gambling to just throw out an order. It was just too quick. It was just too quick. From 62, we resume around 71. There's 75. I mean, maybe you could have thrown out an order here, right? There's a ton of bids, but I would have wanted to see some profit taking, and a drop down to like 70, and then the slingshot, but it's right to 90. Save in Discord bought into this halt, and later on it resumed from 190 all the way over here at I think was it 205? Around 16, opened at 18, dropped to 15, bid at 17, but look at the spreads, 17 by 29. It rips up to 33. I'm gonna buy a dip here, I think. Well, no. Well, okay, there's 10. I bought it at 13. It rips to 28 on the ask right here. Right? Right here, look at this. 28 by 29. I'm gonna put out my sell order, and it's gonna instantly come back down. I mean, wow. I mean, just oh, wait. Looking back at this, hold up, no, I got robbed. I got robbed. Hold up. This is why it's good to study. No. I got robbed here. Hold on. They literally opened up the spreads to fill me. This is unbelievable, man. Are you kidding me? So there's 210. I'm gonna take the long right there, 13 area. Fair fill. So I'm in. There's 27 by 29. You see that drop to 12 right there? That's where I got filled. That is so stupid. That is so. I'm probably the only person that got filled right there. That is infuriating, man. You guys seeing this nonsense? It's hard to go back. I'll try. Let me use the space bar so I can actually get the pause. Oh, that's crazy. All right, so we resume. There's 18. Bid comes at 17. There's a 9-cent spread. It rips to 30, 33. It flushes down here to 10 eventually. So there's sellers coming in. Those shares are getting filled. Shares are getting filled. 25, then 29. 22 by 20. 22, 21 on the bids. 20 on the bids. 26. Right here, I'm just thinking it's too aggressive. It's too high. So there's 10. There's 10 for the first time right there. Now 14, 11, 10, 18. So you can see how crazy it was. Some people might have tried to buy for 10 market and got filled 18 right there. So there's 10 again. And I'm going to say, you know what, man? I'm just going to jump in. If it flushes down, whatever. So right here, I'm going to buy. There's my order. I get the fill 13. And here we go. It comes back up 28 by 29. So we're going to go frame by frame. There's 12 by 13. Just... Oh my gosh. Isn't this is insane. So with the way how my brain is processing this, I'm trying to react right here to sell at 29. In thinking I'll be getting filled at 30, 31 because we're about to get halted up again, or at least try to. So I get filled right in between 12 and 13. And then instantly 16 by 19, 29 by 30. Can't be upset, but that does suck. So when I sold there, I thought it was back green already. And I look over, I'm like, wait, did I get a flat trade? And it's like, oh, you got to be kidding me. But hey, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do one day? Come for you. Bad Boys for Life. Part 4 coming out soon. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for the recap. Quick review. This stock ended up. Let's take a look at it on E-Trade, right? MF ended up getting halted a million times today, literally. Every area where you see the dotted line, we had a halt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 13 times. So yeah, this thing was pretty volatile, man. Just a little unfortunate. The 5-minute setup that we caught was pretty good, but as mentioned, choppy on the big move going up. So, let's see what we get on Monday. Hopefully we get some better action. And with that being said, enjoy the weekend. Stay safe out there, guys. Be careful of the scammers and the impersonators. Catch you guys later. I am, of course, signing out.